and he's addicted to games.
David continues playing games and shouting to his friends.
And playing too much games lead to decreasing a person's EQ.
Susie walks in and says, "Hey, you've been playing too much games today. I'm going to take a break."
Get out! Huh? You make me lose!
David starts throwing stuff.
And that would cause serious problems.
You're annoying!
Susie tries to calm him down and explains why he should play less.
Game addictions would cause anxiety when someone who's addicted cannot play games. It is hard for them to stop playing by themselves.
I can't live without games!
Okay, let's prevent how can we get out of our phones, SMS, and games. And that is the topic we will be talking about today.
And some reasons that are causing game addiction are because most people aren't in control of an adult and their phones should be managed by their guardian or parents.
Or might be because parents are choosing phones too early for their age. Some children get their phone when they are 5 or even under 5. Another reason because they didn't have any phone so they wouldn't try it.
And they don't have schedule, or they just want to play games.
There are some solutions here. First, you can see that people who are addicted to games often play over the time that is recommended. So, you can set a time limit to your application.
Second, if their parents want their children to be healthy, they shouldn't give their children phones when they are not old enough.
The third one is easier. That to create a timetable or a goal and guys are studied, so they will have a motivation.
In conclusion, people can improve their motivation to reduce game addiction.